Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Moki here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more of the Minecraft survival games on the MCSQ servers, guys. And whoops, took a screenshot. So yeah, we're playing. Okay, what's going on? Lag, hello, up, down, sideways, left, right. Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today we're playing on 1.8. I'll get more into that topic here in a second once we get this spawn chest here. Alright, we got the leggings. That's cool. So yeah, basically I'm playing on 1.8 because I get 60 FPS, and I mean, it's actually pretty much the same. I mean, the only difference is that maybe the hits may not be as the same, but I mean, it still works like a beast. So I don't know if this person behind me has a weapon or not, but you're gonna play this game, bruh. You playing? Okay, now you do have a freaking some kind of a weapon, eh? Someone already up here, something. I have a wood axe. I'm dead. Alright, got 2 gapples. This kid's down here. I play that game, bro. I'm gonna come down here. She probably took a lot of damage. Oh crap. Someone below us. Don't know what that is. I just wasted a gapple. That's fine. That's definitely fine. You got smacked. Alright, so okay, I'm not really being any energetic right now. Okay, let's go ahead. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Playing on the map Valleyside University. And yeah, I'm ready for this, guys. I'm pumped. I'm ready to win this SG. So yeah, basically I jitter click now, and also I'm playing on 1.8 better FPS. And yeah, it's not really too much of a difference. The hits may be a little bit different. But anyways, one big thing. It's not gonna be 1.7 forever. So we might as well get used to it, guys. I mean, don't you guys agree? Like, seriously, it's not always gonna be 1.7, so you gotta get used to the fact that you're gonna have to play in 1.8, and so on in the future. But I mean, I'm just scared about playing in 1.9 is the main thing, cause 1.9, oh, the snapshot sucks, and now you never know, something else could just be even worse. All right, hello, buddy. I see you in here. Alright, got him. What just happened? How am I still on fire? Finally. Alright. Oh, let's formalize. He's really good. It's pretty good. I think I remember him from somewhere. I don't know. Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Alright. Let's go ahead and just toss out some of this stuff. I don't care, somebody can have that. Alright, so yeah, we're not doing too bad. And still hoping that we can win this game. Guys, I feel confident, alright? I feel confident for a change. I don't really ever feel confident so often because, I always die. Alright, so anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, smash that like button, guys. And yeah. So anyways, I like this jitter clicking. Jitter clicking is not doing too bad for me. I used to always be bad jitter clicking when I got my new mouse, because my new mouse is a Logitech G502 gaming. So it's like, it's a harder jitter click. Let's put it like that. It's not really have the right grip for jitter clicking. I mean, but you gotta find your own grip, and I found my own grip for it. So yeah, I'm kind of happy about that at least. At least I got something decent. So maybe get a diamond in here. Maybe, okay, that was already looted. Let's see, was this looted? Yeah. Was it? I don't know if there's any more other tier 2s around here. Dang it. I really want to get the diamond sword. I mean, maybe if I go somewhere else, I can maybe find a diamond sword. Or not diamond sword, get a diamond. think there's a tier 2 over here or something. I'm pretty sure there's one up on top of here or something like that. I don't know. I think there's one in this place. I have no clue. I mean, I just know there's this place up here. It may have a tier 2 or something. And if it does, then I don't know. Where's the door at? Is there a door to get in here or something? This is weird. I thought there was a door to get into this place. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. There's this. Hashtag choke pointing. It's in this place. And it's just still a bunch of leaves, eh? Oops, sorry, I don't want to fall. I actually don't want to lose any fall damage. Alright, I thought there was a tier 2 maybe up there or something. I don't know. Let's see. I think there's a tier 2. I forget which way. Okay, north, east, south, west. I know there's a tier 2 everywhere, but I don't know what one may not be looted. I'm pretty sure it's this way. I think it's where the A is, and you have to turn. It's either this is the A building, I think, right? Okay, someone behind me. Okay. See you, buddy. See you. Alright, got him. Alright, so that was a pretty good kill. I wasn't feeling real confident about that. And it did 2 gapple, which I don't like that. I don't know why it does that, but it's fine. Hopefully we can get this win right here. Man, we do have sticks finally. Cause last game I was trying to record and I was so unfortunate and I didn't even have these sticks. So yeah, that was definitely the best game of my life there, cause I did so good and I had no sticks. Alright. Alright, we have 3 gapples to rely on. I mean, I feel pretty confident, and then hopefully these kids aren't real good. Okay, not really good ratio, about 1 in 10 about. And this guy has about 1 in 20 ratio. I'm gonna throw some stuff in here, I guess. Alright, we should be able to do this. Okay. Master, hopefully they're not teamers. Hopefully we're not teamers. I have a feeling they are. I'm feeling they're teamed. Yeah, they're teamed. Actually, no, they're not. Gotta play safe. Alright, I don't know. What do I do? Alright, some shots on them. Gapple. Get some bow shots maybe. Oh, okay, I almost boosted him into that fire there. That would've been good. Let's try to get him here. Alright, GG guys, we got him. Alright, first game I finally won. Alright, finally guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did, definitely smash that like button. And yeah, finally I got a win. That was like so many tries. I mean, I don't even know. I'm upset so hard right now. Cause dude, okay, seriously, I did like 20 tries and I finally just won. So oh god, finally. So anyways guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video of the Minecraft survival games. And yeah, okay, thank you for watching. And by the way, sorry for not uploading the past few days. Apologize guys. And yeah, so next time, thanks for watching and peace.